Hello, this is Kelly with Xima Software. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add notes and account codes to calls inside of the Contact Center Agent client. As you can see on the screen, I am currently on a phone call. We have details about this call in the right-hand side. However, at the top, we have additional tabs available to us as an agent. Those include notes and codes. Notes is the ability to add free-form notes to the call. These can be what happened on the call, or potentially invoice numbers or ticket numbers, whatever you see fit. At the bottom, you simply add your notes to the open field, like so. Once they've been added, click the Post button to officially tag it to the call. And note, those will be timestamped. You are welcome to add additional notes as well. To add codes to a call, simply click on the Codes option in the top right-hand corner. Codes are slightly different than notes as they are predefined by your management. Now that I'm on the Codes tab, at the bottom I can click on the drop-down menu to see all the available codes for me to select. In this case, I'm going to say it was a ticket that was opened, post it, and I can also add additional ones by simply opening that up again, and I'm going to say I transfer this to a supervisor and post it again. After the call has concluded, these notes and codes will be historically tagged to this call.